Fasting. It's a word we hear often in church circles, but many are still unsure how to actually do it. Is it just skipping meals? Is it starving for God's attention? Or is there something deeper happening beneath the surface? Today, let's slow down and walk through the heart of fasting, not just the how, but the why. 1. Start with purpose, not pressure. Fasting isn't about impressing God. It's not a hunger strike to force His hand. It's a voluntary surrender, a way to quiet your physical cravings so your spiritual hunger can grow. Before you start, ask yourself, why am I fasting? Is it to seek clarity, to break a habit, to intercede for someone, or simply to draw closer to God? Let your purpose anchor you. 2. Choose your fast wisely. Not all fasts are the same. You don't have to start with 40 days in the wilderness. Here are a few types. Partial fast, giving up certain foods or drinks, like Daniel, who ate only vegetables and water. Intermittent fast, skipping meals during certain times of the day. For example, fasting from sunrise to sunset. Complete fast, no food, just water or minimal liquids. Only attempt this with wisdom and preparation. Soul fast, abstaining from media, entertainment, or anything else that consumes your focus. Start small if you're new. It's not about quantity, it's about sincerity. 3. Prepare your body and schedule ease into it. Avoid heavy, greasy meals right before your fast. Drink plenty of water, rest if needed. And most importantly, carve out time for prayer, worship, and the Word. Fasting without prayer is just dieting. Matthew 4:4 reminds us, "Man shall not live by bread alone, but by every word that proceeds from the mouth of God." 4. Expect resistance, but stay focused. Hunger will come, so will distractions. Your phone will suddenly seem more interesting. Your to-do list will feel heavier than ever. But remember, every hunger pang, every craving, is not just your body complaining, it's an invitation to pray. When you feel weak, whisper this prayer: Lord, be my strength. Feed me with what truly satisfies. 5. Break your fast gently. Don't rush back into heavy meals. Start with light foods, soups, fruits, simple dishes. Let your body ease back into eating. But more importantly, ask yourself this: what did I learn? What is God saying to me? Write it down, carry it forward. Fasting isn't about earning anything from God. It's about emptying yourself so He can fill you afresh. It's about clearing the noise so you can hear His whisper. And it's about making space for the bread of life to satisfy where nothing else can. So whether it's one meal, one day, or 1 week, fast with focus, fast with humility, fast with joy. And remember, God isn't watching your plate. He's watching your heart. So if you want to go deeper, I made something for you. It's called the 7-Day Fasting Battle Plan. 7 days, mapped out. What to pray, what to expect, what to do when the flesh screams louder than the spirit. It's free, and it's waiting for you right now. The link is in the pinned comment and bio. Go get your battle plan.